Hi,
Hi,
New
New
Life
Life
Southwoods.
Southwoods.
We're Team Lush. I'm Kat.
And I'm Walter.
And we're here to share about our testimony in New Life Southwoods and how we got connected to this church. So it all started on July 2023 when we got invited sa birthday ng kapatid ni Cyril. So, nagpunta kami doon and he invited us. Sabi niya, punta kayo sa church namin sa New Life Southwoods. So sabi ko, saka na, pag may sasakyan na kami. Kasi taga Cavite pa kami that time. And then, after a few months,
ayun,
sabi mo yung month.
by November, ayun, na-process yung application namin sa pagkuha ng car loan. And yes, nagkasasakyan kami. So, nakuha namin siya Thursday. Then, right after makuha namin siya, pagdating ng Sunday, pumunta agad kami dito sa Southwoods.
And pinabless namin agad yung car.
Yes.
And then, so nag-start na yon, naging linggo-linggo na kami nagpupunta dito sa church. And then, noong January 2024, I started volunteering sa worship team.
And then, after a few months, ako rin, nag-start na rin ako mag-volunteer as drummer sa church. And right now, we're going 2 years na kaming nag-attend sa church.
And also, nakahanap kami ng house na mas malapit dito sa Tugalaguna na rin kami. And lumipat kami dahil gusto namin mapalapit sa church kasi we want to commit our time sa pag-volunteer dito sa church. And ever since we got connected to this church, marami na din kami natutunan. Also, mas lumalim yung relationship namin kay God kasi this church is really a good ground. And we are very blessed to have such caring pastors and leaders na talagang sobrang nag-look out para sa amin. And syempre, binabantayan din namin yung journey namin as Christians sa walk namin with Jesus. And marami na rin kaming naging friends dito, which is nakakatuwa kasi nagkaroon kami ng community here sa Southwoods, kahit taga Cavite naman kami. So nagkaroon kami ng parang family na rin here in Laguna.
And just to share about sa goodness ni God, ayun, ever since na nag-start kami mag-serve, back then nasa Cavite pa kami. So, malayo yung travel namin. And never naman nagkulang si Lord sa pag-provide sa amin. Even sa mga time na akala mo wala na, bigla na magpo-provide si Lord. So, grabe talaga yung blessings ever since napunta kami sa church na.
And we're very thankful for this church and we're happy to be a part of it. And we're looking forward to more things to come. Happy 6th anniversary, New Life Southwoods!